Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best angle grinders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is DEWALT Angle Grinder Tool. This is a great angle grinder. We have these in the workshop and they're a great tool to have around the place. It comes with a paddle switch, which is my favorite way of stopping and starting a grinder, and it has a one-touch guard which allows for a simple 360-degree rotation of the guard. There's a quick change wheel release system that allows you to easily change the wheel without using any tools. For its weight it packs some real power. The RPM is a super fast 11,000 RPM. Which is a set speed at 11A output. This grinder's durable too and is built to stand the test of time with a dust ejection system inside the grinder to eject any dust that gets stuck in it and help prevent any possible damage. This should last you a long time, but DEWALT has a 3-year warranty, just in case something does go wrong. It's powerful, durable, and available at a great price. Safety is a consideration as well. The handguard rotates completely around the tool to give you complete protection from any sparks or debris that are kicked up while you work. You even get a hard case that will make it safe and easy to transport. All in all, this is one of the best 4.5 inches angle grinders of 2020. Pros: easy to transport. Dust ejection system. 11 amps of power. Cons: pricey. Number 2. Our second best pick is Avid Power Angle Grinder 7.5 amp for 1/2 inch with 2 grinding wheels. The Avid Power 7.5 amp angle grinder is an affordable grinder that will be great for buyers who are looking for a tool they can use on small tasks. The slim lightweight design will be comfortable to use, and it also includes a covering that protects against sparks and splinters. The tool is also extremely quick. The 7.5 amps of power can generate an incredible 11,000 rotations per minute. However, there seem to be some fundamental design flaws that make it difficult to use for extended periods. When the motor becomes overstressed due to excessive use, it gets extremely hot to the point that it can be difficult to hold. The motor can even get so hot that the tool will temporarily stop working. For very small jobs, this Avid Power Grinder will do fine. For more intense work, you'll want a better tool. Pros: very quick. Slim compact design. Cons: overheats. Number 3. Our third best pick is Makita 9557 PBX1 for 1/2 a paddle switch cutoff/angle grinder. The Makita 9557 PBX1 is a moderately priced grinder with an extra large wheel that will be perfect for high volume work. We are particularly partial to the design concept, which features a specialty seal that prevents dust from ever reaching the electrical components. This has 7.5 amps of power, so is less than the DEWALT, but is a compact and lightweight model that has a small 2½ barrel grip to make it easier to manage one-handed. It has a paddle switch with slow startup to make starting and stopping grinding as comfortable as possible. It has the tool-less wheel guard adjustment, which is a great feature to have and is available at a great price. It's also user-friendly. The controls are very simple, and it even includes a lock-on switch that allows you to maintain continuous operation without worrying about working the buttons. The only real downside about this grinder is that it's fairly heavy. The weight of the tool makes it hard to use comfortably for extended periods of time. Still, for occasional use, it's a great grinder available at a reasonable price. Pros: moderate price. Extra large wheel. Specialty seal. Cons: fairly heavy. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Metabo HPT Angle Grinder. When it comes to DIY projects and budgets, not everyone can afford top-of-the-line tools every time. So those hoping to save cash and still get a quality grinder may want to give this corded model from Metabo HPT a look. It uses 4.5-inch discs, has a 6.2 amp motor, and spins at up to 10,000 revolutions per minute. The Metabo HPT's usefulness was somewhat of a surprise. We enjoyed how compact and lightweight it was in hand. The location of the power switch is very convenient, especially during cutting. The lock-on feature allowed me to kick it on and leave it on, very helpful in our project. Our only complaint is that the Metabo HPT lacks the power of other corded models, and the 6.2 amp motor seemed like it could overheat during all-day use. Pros: lock-on switch for long use, very light at only 4 pounds. The most compact of all the grinders tested. Cons: a little lacking in power compared to other corded models. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Portacable Angle Grinder Tool. When it comes to dependable power, a corded angle grinder like this Portacable product is ideal. This model features a heavy-duty 7.5 amp motor that spins a 4.5-inch disc at speeds up to 10,000 revolutions per minute, providing plenty of speed and power for workshop use. The Portacable grinder felt truly in its element on our metalworking project, handling cuts and grinds nicely. While it doesn't have the most power compared to others on our list, it's pretty close. It's also one of the only grinders to feature a traditional trigger switch, which was easy to use and more intuitive than most. We also really liked the top mount position for the handle attachment, as it can make cutting much more manageable. The one negative worth mentioning is that vibration control isn't top tier, so although it can take all day use, the user's hands and wrists might tire. Pros: top mounted handle position, comfortable trigger switch. The 7.5 amp motor has plenty of power. Cons: vibration control is so. Grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.